Welcome back to the Collectible Card Guy channel. Today we've got another box rip for you guys. We have another hobby box of Topps Chrome Update Series for 2023. We've already opened one of these boxes on the channel previously. Go check out that video. Wasn't as impressed as I thought I would be, so we have a second box. We're going to go ahead and open it today. Again, one autograph card per box, and we have 24 packs, 4 cards per pack. So let's go ahead and get ripping. Alright, we've got our box opened up. We're going to go ahead and take our first pack and add it to our 100 subscriber collection. Once we reach 100 subscribers, we're going to take one pack from every box that we've opened so far on the channel and do a massive pack opening video. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, like the video, subscribe to the channel, get notified when that video comes out. We'll put that aside for now, and we're going to go ahead and start ripping some packs. So, pack number 1, here we go. Alright, we're going to get a lot of rookies. We'll start off with Luis Medina rookie card, and looks like we have a refractor right behind it already. Alright, so we're going to pull from the back first. Alright, so we have Logan O'Hoppe rookie card, rookie debut. Alright, and then we're going to pull from the back again. So we have Action Stars Freddie Freeman insert. And then for a refractor, Jacob deGrom green refractor. This is going to be numbered out of 99. A little difficulty focusing there. 14 out of 99, Jacob deGrom green refractor. Put a sleeve on him. Alright, let's go on to pack number 2 now. Alright, pack number 2, James Caprielin. We have Cody Bradford rookie. And refractor Francisco Alvarez rookie debut. And finally we finish up with Jacob Odorizzi. Alright, pack number 3 now. And we'll start off with Carlos Rondon. Joey Weimer rookie card. Action Stars Jazz Chisholm Jr. And finish off the pack with Michael Fulmer. Alright, pack number 4. Alright, start off with Jose Alzicor. And we have a Future Stars Julio Rodriguez insert. That looks sharp. Right behind him, we have an Action Stars Mike Trout. Very nice. And to finish off the pack, Gabriel Moreno rookie card, rookie debut. Alright, pack number 5 now. And we'll start off with rookie card Yuri Perez. Elier Hernandez rookie card. And refractor Dylan Moore of the Mariners. And to finish off the pack, William Contreras for the Brewers. Alright, pack 6. Start off with Trevor Williams. Christopher Morel rookie debut rookie card. And Mookie Betts All-Star Game insert. And finish off the pack with Patrick Bailey rookie card. Alright, next pack. Alright, start off with Christian Vasquez. Vaughn Grissom rookie debut rookie card. And another refractor Andrew Nardi rookie card. Then we'll finish off the pack with Brandon Pafad rookie card. Alright, next pack. Alright, start off with rookie card Jason DeLay. Then we have Aroldis Chapman. Then we have a refractor Leedy Taveras. And then to finish off the pack, we have Wandy Peralta. Alright, next pack. Start off with Gabriel Moreno, rookie card. Then we have Alec Burleson, rookie card, rookie debut. And Marcus Simeon All-Star Game insert. And then we finish up the pack with Jerickson Profar for the Colorado Rockies. Alright, next pack. Still looking for an auto at this point. Alright, and we start off with Kenta Maeda. There's our first Prism of the box, Stuart Fairchild of the Reds. Then we have an Adley Rutschman. It's the 1988 insert anniversary card, rookie card. That's nice. And finish off the pack with Dominic Smith. Alright, next pack. And we'll start off with Nick Martinez, Anthony Volpe rookie card. And we have another All-Star Game insert, Luis Robert Jr. Then we finish off the pack with Tommy Pham. Alright, next pack. Alright, Emmanuel Valdez rookie card. We have Matt Moore. Then we have Sandy Alcantara 1988 insert. And we finish off the pack with JP Fireson. Alright, next pack. Alright, start off with Michael Busch rookie card. Mike Clevenger. Randy Arozarena All-Star Game insert. And we finish off the pack with Hunter Brown rookie card, rookie debut. So far, the box is going as expected. A lot of base, a lot of rookies, a lot of inserts. Start off with Dustin May. Our second Prism, how about Gunnar Henderson rookie card, rookie debut. That is a sweet pull. We're going to put a sleeve on that. We have Oscar Colas 1988 insert rookie card. And finish off the pack with Cole Reagan's rookie card. Alright, next pack. Carlos Vargas rookie card. Sean Murphy. Jordan Walker 1988 anniversary insert rookie card. It's nice. And finish off the pack with Jared Kalenic, who actually just got traded. Next pack. Alright. Taj Bradley rookie card, rookie debut. Nice. Corbin Carroll rookie card, rookie debut. That's a nice pull as well. And then Bobby Miller refractor rookie card, rookie debut. And finish off the pack with Jordan Walker rookie card. That was a sweet pack. All rookies. Alright, next pack. Still looking for our auto. Alright, Bobby Miller rookie card. There's our auto. Spencer Steer. And guess what? This is the same rookie card that we pulled out of the first box. Same auto. Except for we pulled a purple refractor out of the first one. Go ahead and put a sleeve on this one. What are the odds? 2 hobby boxes, the same autograph. Alright, we have Mason Miller rookie card refractor as well. And finish off the pack with Jesse Winker. Next pack. So far, only one numbered card. Drew Maggi rookie card. Adam Duvall. And we have another Refractor Jared Schuster rookie card for the Braves. And then finish off the pack with Xavier Edwards rookie card. Alright, next pack. Looks like another Prism. Sean Bouchard rookie card. David Peralta. And then Garrett Hill rookie card Prism. And finish off the pack with JP Sears. Alright, next pack. Alright, Jose Siri. Brett Beatty rookie card, rookie debut. And then a Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Titans insert. First one in the box. And finish off the pack with Nicky Lopez. Next pack. Alright, start off with Ryan Noda rookie card. Bryce Miller rookie card. And then another Refractor Jeter Downs rookie card. And finish off the pack with Ezekiel Tovar rookie card. Alright. Next to last pack. Robbie Grossman. Yuri Perez rookie card. Feels like there's an extra card in this pack. Titans insert for Pete Alonso. And what's our extra card here? Hobie Harris rookie card. Alright, last pack of our 2023 Topps Chrome Update Series box. Let us know what you thought of the box rip. Wasn't impressed overall, but let's see what we get in the last pack here. Jose Cuas rookie card. Michael Bush rookie card. And then Jordan Lyles Prism. And then we finish off the box with Yohan Yepez. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also remember to check out our eBay page, and we'll see you in the next video.